Guys, this is just a short update video about the car, and that's it.
Hi guys, just a quick update. So since I have the new solenoid in, that fixed the solenoid issue, but the original starter motor is not that crash hot. I don't know if you can see, but this cable here, the original bolt kind of snapped off a while ago, so it I can't get a double lock nut on it to keep it taut, so it does move around a bit. So sometimes it's in just the right position for the solenoid to get enough current to engage it, and sometimes I've got to wiggle it a little bit, which is, you know, a bit of a pain, but not too bad. We'll sort that out at some point, maybe put a new thread through, a longer thread, and then put the nut and the cable back on. Around this side, since I've done all the points, so all the spark plugs themselves, and made sure they're all working, and I've just been playing around with advancing and retarding the timing, because I had it quite advanced before because of the ignition issue, but since now the ignition issue with all the cables and that is resolved, I've kind of taken it back a fair bit to try and make the car not run so hot and not detonate, etc. So now it's I've retarded it quite considerably, which I'm assuming should have some effect on how easy or not easy it is to start the car. So let's give it a go and see what it's like at the moment. So this is with no choke on, so the choke's off. Engine's probably at running temperature. We'll give it a go, we'll see how we go. And that's it, it's running. It's at operating temperature and 12.4 volts. Haven't really managed to get much more done to the car. We had a wedding last weekend. Lots of sport this weekend and voting here in New South Wales. Local votes in Australia for our local council, so between all that and kids dance concerts so we haven't really done much on the car this weekend and probably won't get much of a chance, but I thought I'd just give you a quick update on how it's going. Loving it. Nicest car to drive, so relaxing. Lachlan's making the car smell nice. Bit of air freshener. You're on an angle. That's it. I think that's plenty of freshness. We won't be able to breathe. Thank you. And this is the solar panel that we always have so the car never runs out of battery. Not that it matters because you can hand crank the car anyway, which is awesome.
Toodaloo!